Okay, today we're going to go over sort 18, and this is a review from the last few sorts. So it's looking at our CVVC letter patterns that we've been looking at, which for these ones it's AI, OA, EE, and EA. So we have our headings. So we've learned that AI, when we see the vowel combination AI, we know that that makes a long A sound, so an A sound. When we see EE vowel combination, that makes a long E, so an E sound. When we see an OA, this makes a long O sound, like O. And now this one, remember this is a tricky one, might throw you off, because the letters EA make two sounds depending on the word that they're in. So they can make a long E sound, like the E sound, or they can make a short E sound, like an eh sound. So you need to watch out for those ones, because these ones, you can look at them and you know where they're going to go just of what the word looks like. But these ones, you're going to need to read it. You're going to need to listen really carefully to hear what those vowels are making, what sound they're making, to know if it's a long E or a short E sound. So watch out for that. So I have some words here that I can sort. Let me see. Ooh, this one I've got cheek. So I see an EE, and it's making a long E, cheek. All right. I've got rail, rail. There's a long A sound being made by that AI. I have toast, toast. There's my long O sound. And then, oh, here we go. These two tricky words. Let's see. Okay, so this word says cream, cree. That's a long E. This one is meant, eh. So there's my short E sound. So these ones you need to watch out for. Now we've also said that when we have the same letter combinations that make different sounds, that's when we can get homographs. So this sort has one homograph in it, and that is this one. Okay, so this could be pronounced as read, read, or red. So you could say it either way. It has different, they're similar, but they're different meanings based on how you say them, but both words look the same. They both have that EA vowel combination. So watch out for that one. And that is sort 18.